We're going to be making Mashuni today, and to make Mashuni we're going to use 1 small onion, juice of 1 lime, 2 green chilies. You can add more to taste. I'm using 2 bird's eye chilies today because I like the heat, and half a cup of desiccated coconut. If you can find freshly grated coconut, that's good, but if you can't, desiccated coconut works fine. Just make sure you rehydrate it before you use it. And 1 canned tuna. We're going to thinly slice this, juice this, and chop this. So here we've got some thinly sliced onions. I'm going to add that to the bowl. I've got the chopped chilies. And squeeze the lime in. And some salt to season. And then you give this a good mix. You can see the juice turning a bit pink. You add your drained tuna. In Maldives we use our hands for everything. And then you add your rehydrated coconut. That's it. That's your Mashuni. And here you go, the end product. Mashuni with some flatbread. Got some paratha here and some sweet tea, which is what we usually have in the Maldives. Black tea with lots of sugar. You pinch off a bit of flatbread, you scoop up some Mashuni into it, have like a mini wrap, and then you eat it. Delicious. I hope you all enjoy this. It's one of our Hummingbird favourites. I make it in the office for everyone all the time. There's a slice of Maldives. And have a great day.